Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Be Woman. Ladies have so many jobs. We are called multitaskers and kitchen plays a very important role in all this. So how this area of your house tries to define you, we'll talk about that today. So let's start our video. For us, it's an endless process. Making a meal, feeding children, cleaning, managing everything, serving everyone, and eating when everyone is done, and so on. There are so many things. Sometimes we try to avoid dinner invitations also because we feel के बहुत सारा mess हो जाएगा. We don't have time. Sometimes when I talk to my friends, they tell me that they couldn't meet their friends for a long time, for years and years, because they were so involved, so engrossed in everything. So what is this? Being a woman, we have an expectation of being a good cook. You should be a good cook irrespective of your profession, your talent. That doesn't matter if you are not a good cook. And if you are a good cook, then you will be compared with master chefs. So there is always a bar which will be set for you. I was talking to one of my friends and she told me that she is earning well for her and she is managing her child also. And she is fulfilling all her responsibilities in the house. And I was very surprised by her statement. She told me that because in-laws don't want to pay extra 400 rupees per month, the daughter-in-laws of the house have to clean the utensils every Sunday. So this is the scenario. You are earning well, you are educated, you are fulfilling all your responsibilities, but these responsibilities will never end. You will be expected to do more and more and more. So this is a cycle which never ends. This discrimination begins at home. And it starts from day one. So many rituals, only women are expected to involved. And a man of the house, when he gets married, there is no sudden change or sudden uprooting of his life. The thing is same for him. So this patriarchy never ends. Women grow up on stories where we are told that good woman performs these duties, how to be a good woman, and all these stories supports patriarchy at a very higher level and just imbibes in our mind that yes, we have to be a good woman. You must have seen the statement that a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Why can't we have these kind of one-liners for women? I have already talked to you about one-liner that boys will be boys. And why can't we have girls will be girls? So this misogyny never ends. So kitchen is one area, where I think all this power game happens. Kitchen will be monitored by one person and she will decide that what will be cooked, how much will be cooked, and what will not be cooked at all. So I have seen some of my friends, they talk about this, that they want to go on a diet, they want to eat healthy food, but they can't control the dishes which are being cooked there in the kitchen by the in-laws, that they will come to you and they'll offer you sweets and everything and you don't want to eat and you become a bad person if you don't eat those things, because then you are showing that you are separate from the family. You are not joining in the family if you're not eating those samosas. So it becomes a huge challenge for a woman to take care of her health. Anyways, first of all, taking care of her health, reaching to that point where she can think about this, that she needs to take care of herself. It becomes very, very rare because she's taking care of everyone. She has the pressure of taking care of everyone. When the time has changed, women, the era has changed. So it's high time that this patriarchy should also change. And this kitchen, which we just see as a very auspicious thing, that food is coming from there. Food is a very auspicious thing, I believe. You stay in the house, but what kind of rights you have? You have to fight for yourself. He can't say that my wife and I was discussing that we should eat healthy now. So they have to feed themselves when everybody in the house is done with their meals. That what are the things we can change? And slowly these changes should come. Making your children independent. If you are hungry, eat first. Don't wait. Don't be shy that no, everybody should be done with their dinner. Then only I can have. When you do these things, definitely your daughters in the house will also learn how to fight for themselves. It's very important for us to not to just educate our daughters, but definitely show them the behavior which they should be getting in their future homes. It starts from our home. So let's meet next week with another interesting topic. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel and